Hi, I'm Aryana from the Glow Recipe team, and I wanted to show you how I use our new Glossy Skin Spell set. It's a limited edition set with 2 products at an incredible value that can help give you that glossy, dewy look. So let's get into it. First, let me show you this super cute mini size of our best-selling Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops. This product is really special because it's super versatile. It can be used as your daily niacinamide serum, your skincare highlight, or even as a primer for your makeup. Whichever way you choose to use it, it can give you an incredible glow, both instantly and over time. I'm going to use it as my serum step today, so I'm going to apply it all over my clean skin. It feels so silky smooth and my skin just starts glowing instantly. This set also includes another one of our best sellers, the Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. Pink Juice is made up of 90% watermelon extract and it has the best, most unique texture. It's a light cooling gel emulsion which sinks right into your skin, but because it's made with mostly watermelon, it's still really hydrating and so good for your skin. This is my go-to moisturizer because it's so lightweight and refreshing but gives me all the hydration I need. And it has that classic watermelon scent that we all know and love. If I'm using this set during the day, then I always follow my moisturizer with my favorite SPF. My favorite step is to use dewdrops as a highlighter. I like to think of this as the finishing touch. I take about 1 pump and put it all over the high points of my face. And I love putting it on my cheekbones, on the bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow, and I love putting it on my lids just for that all over glossy look. I hope you learned a little bit more about why I love this set. If you've been waiting to try dewdrops or Pink Juice Moisturizer, then this is the perfect way to test them out. You can shop this set at Sephora for under $25.